It's Ingrid Jansen from Organize Your House. I would like to share with you my top tip for APDO's National Organizing Week. Now, when you start a decluttering project, it's really handy to have some labels ready for action. And you can either get some white stickers or white labels, or you can go ahead and buy a label maker and buy some cartridges to go into the label maker. But once you've decluttered and organized something, label the box or the drawer or the shelf or anything that you can put a sticker on, label it. So not only you can then remind yourself where everything is, but also the other family members in your home know where to find stuff from now on. It can be really helpful as well if you have bags to go to the charity shop. Label those bags so that they have to go to the charity shop, so you know they don't have to be thrown away, but they actually can be given to a charity. So label, label, label. That's my top tip for National Organizing Week. Good luck.